Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain about the human lungs. We have two lungs in our thoracic cavity. There is a thoracic cavity present in our chest and there is a two lungs present. In between two lungs there is a heart present. Okay, and this is the left side of the lungs and this is right side of the lungs. Okay, so first the lungs divided into five parts. This upper parts, which is the top portion, this is narrow and it is called the root of the lungs, that is called apex, and this is the flat part called the base, apex and base. Okay, and now the outer portion is called the costal surface and the middle surface is called the median surface. There is a hilum present, means okay, one term is a hilum. You can read in so many books, that is a hilum present in the kidney, hilum present in the lungs. So what is a hilum? Hilum is a a portion where the blood capillaries enter to the parts, means enter to the lungs. So what is the function of the hilum in the lungs? Through the hilum, all the blood capillaries uh, connect to the heart and the lungs, means which is enter to the lungs through the hilum, and hilum is present in the median surface of the lungs. Okay, and last one is a diaphragmatic surface. Diaphragmatic surface, the diaphragm present here. So this surface which is connect to the diaphragm, that is called the diaphragmatic surface. So there is a five parts of the lungs: apex, base, costal surface, outer, median surface, there is a hilum present, and diaphragmatic surface. Okay, now what is the location of the lungs? So within thoracic cavity, on the either side of the heart with the ribs, the lungs is present. What is the shape? So roughly there is a cone shape, you can say that. Weight is just 1.3 kg. Okay, left lung is just about 450 gram and right lung is about just a 400 gram. Now these both lungs present in the pleural sac. There is a pleural sac present. There is a pleural sac, means each lungs is enclosed with a pleura, contain pleural fluid. They have a pleura. uh, there is a two pleura in the lungs, visceral pleura and partial pleura. So what is a visceral pleura? Attached to each lung, both lungs attach with the visceral pleura. And what is the partial pleura? So there is a partial pleura present which attach lungs with the chest cavity, means when you inhale the air from the atmosphere, so the lungs will expand. Why they expand? When you inhale air, so your ribs going to be extended, your chest wall going to be extended, so your partial pleura also extended and the lungs is extended. Okay, so this is the pleural sac. Now what is the difference between right lung and the left lung? Okay, so the left this is the left lung, this is the right lung, and this is the left lung. Right lung have three lobes. One this is fissure. Okay, one lobe, second lobe and third lobe. In the left lung there is a one lobe and second lobe. This is the partition. Two lobes present in the left lung, three lobes present in the right lung. Right lung is a heavier than the left lung. Okay, and it is a right lung is a little bit bigger than the left lung. Why it is bigger? Because the left lung gives space to the heart present here. This fissure, you can see that here the heart present. So left lung gives space to the heart. So this notch on this notch is called the cardiac notch, where is a heart present. So that's why it is a little bit smaller than the right lung. Okay, this is long and narrow, this is shorter and wider. It have two fissure present, it have one fissure present. Okay, and what is the name of the fissure? This is the oblique fissure. This is called the oblique fissure, this is called the oblique fissure, and this is the horizontal fissure. Okay. two present, means two fissure, oblique fissure. In the right lung there is a two fissure present, oblique fissure and horizontal fissure, and in the left lung there is a one fissure present, that is called oblique fissure. Okay. And now I told the plural sac. So what is the function of the pleura? So pleura, it prevent the friction between the chest and the lungs. Means just you can take two glasses and just one take one glasses and pour some water on it and pour next glass on it, so you can see the just they don't have any friction. Okay, though both glasses like this, the chest wall have a pleural fluid present, and in under the pleural fluid the lungs is present, so chest wall and lungs don't have friction. Okay, so pleura is prevent from the friction in between the chest and the lungs, and it prevent lungs from the injury, and also it collapsion of the lungs, prevent collapsion of the lungs. Okay, in this figure you can see that the horizontal slit, this is horizontal fissure, and oblique slit, that is a oblique fissure. Okay, and this is the trachea divided into two parts, right primary bronchi and left primary bronchi, and they enter to the right lung and the left lung. And this is the vena, this is upper lobe, this is trachea, this is cartilage. Trachea have a C type of cartilage present, and this is lower lobe of the lungs. Okay, so this is all about the lungs. Thank you so much for watching.